So here I've taken a question. Identify a term which contain x and you have to give the coefficient of x. So here the first part, which term is having x? So this is the term which is having x. So it is y square x. Now you have to give the coefficient of x. So here coefficient of x is, so x other than x, whatever is there will be the coefficient of x. So here the coefficient of x will be y square. Now let's move to the next one. So here the next question is, which term is having x? So this term is having x. Now here you have to take this negative sign as well and all the other values. So it is minus 8yx. So here coefficient of x will be minus 8y. Okay, so other than x you have to take all the other values which is other than x. Now here the third one, which term is having x? So this term is having x. Now coefficient of x is here 1. So like this you have to do this question. Now let's see the next. The next question is identify the terms that contains y square and give the coefficient of y square. So this is also same like the previous question. So here you have to see the terms which are having y square. So this term is having y square, here this term is having y square, here this term is having y square, also this term is having y square. So here term is minus xy square, in this 5y square, here minus 15xy square plus 7y square. Now you have to write the coefficient of these. So what will be the coefficient in this other than y square? You will take that, so that is minus x. Okay, so coefficient of x, y square will be, here coefficient of y square will be 5. In this you can take y square common. So let's see what we will get. So y square if we take common, so you will get minus 5x plus 7. So here the coefficient of y square will be minus 15x plus y plus 7. So this way you have to find out. Now let's see the next question. Here you have to classify the terms into monomials, binomials and trinomials. So as in the introduction I've told, monomials are having one term. If you have only one term in an expression, then it is monomial. Then binomial means if you have two terms, then it is binomial, having two terms. Then trinomials, if you have three terms in any expression, then they are called the trinomials. So having three terms will be trinomial. Now in this given question you have to tell which one is monomial, binomial and trinomial. So you can see the second one, here only one term you have, so that means it is monomial. So this is monomial. I'm just writing MO. Okay, monomial I've written. So it is monomial. Now this is also monomial, only one term you have 100, so this is also monomial. Now this one, here how many terms you have in this third part? You have 3 terms, so this will be trinomial. You have 3 terms here, so this is trinomial. Now in the first one you have 2 terms, so 2 terms, the expression having 2 terms is known as binomial. So this is binomial. So this way you have to do these sums. The next one is state whether a given pair of terms is like or unlike. So you have to see the like or unlike terms. So first we will see what are the like terms. So whenever you have the only constant terms, so they are like terms, only the constant terms. Like in the first part you can see both are constant terms, so these two are like. Okay. Now unlike terms means if the variable is different. Okay. So see this one, here it is 29x and this is 29y. So these two are unlike terms. Why these are unlike? Because this variable, both the variables are different in each. Okay, 29 is okay, the coefficient is equal, that is okay, but the variable are different, x and y, so these two are unlike. Now let's see the second part. So here you can see variables should be same, then they will be like. So here both are x and x, so these two are like terms. You can see a few more. So here the fourth part is xy and it is yx. So if you have xy or yx, both are same, because in product 1 into 2 is same as 2 into 1, so they are commutative. In product is commutative, so these two will be same, so that means this is also like term. Now let's move to the fifth part. So here see this one, the first variable is m square b and this one is mp square, so will they equal? See, in the first part you have m square, here you have in the second only m you have, so these two are not same, so that means this is unlike. So these things you have to see. Now the next one, third one, you have xz in the first and you have x square z square in the second, so these two are also not equal, so these two are also unlike terms. Now here the next sum is, you have to identify the like terms. So here we have to see the variable, so it is x y square. So now I will find out which will match this x y square. So here this is also x y square and any other, no other. So these two are like terms, which are minus x y square and 2xy square. Now we have some other also, just let's see that one also. Yx square, this is yx square, so is there any other yx square? Yeah, one more you have. So the next pair is minus 4yx square and the next one is 20x square y. So this is the like term. Now we'll find out the next one. So here we have 8x square, so we have 8x square, and similar to this we have like another like, yes, we have this one and this also. So we have minus 11x square and minus 6x square, so all these three are like term. Now let's see what else we have here. So here we have this 7y, so like this we have something else, yes, this y we have, so we have 7y and y, this also we have. Now let's see the other. So next we have this 100 minus 100x, so another we have 3x, so these two are like terms. Now we have the last one, that is minus 11yx, so like this we have this one, so that is 2xy. So we have seen all, and all the like terms I have written with different colors, so you can see this.